Menu bar and favorites now have lots of new features. So I'm going to show you first the menu bar. So let's go to the builder mode here and let's edit it. So previously, the only thing that you could add on a menu bar was app pages and tables. But now you can also add folders. So like this one is a folder. You can add a channel, so like a marketing channel, and you can add your favorites. So if you go here, you can add all your favorites on your menu bar. Let's save it so I can show you how it works. So now you have all here, including your folder and your channel. And the cool part about the favorites is that each member can customize what they want to add as a favorite or not. So that's a way for your users to have a more easier way for each individual to navigate inside your tool that you are building for your company. And you can reorder them. You can change if they are inside the favorites or not. You can edit which is favorite or not. So if I don't want this one, I can just change it here. It will disappear from this side of the menu as well. And you can, it's a folder, so you can just hide all of them here as well. So this is pretty cool. And there's also another thing that's brand new for favoriting parts of the system, which is adding favorites for records. So that's really nice. So if I go here, you can see that I have this star on top, so I can favorite or unfavorite this record. Let's go to this other one. Let's favorite here. You can see the animal company retreat. It's now here, and I can access it from any place that I have access to my favorites. So if I'm here, let's go through this way. You can see that I can find now my record here, and this is really nice because maybe you are working on this specific task and you want to make this a favorite until it's done. So it's always there as a priority for you. If you don't want this, you can come here, you can remove any part or any app from your favorites. Another thing that's important to highlight is before, if you added a new table, for example, it would automatically go and add as a favorite. Now we don't do this anymore because what happened before was it was adding too much clutter to favorites. So now it will show on the most recent, but not on favorites. So if you want to add something to favorites, you go here and add to favorite, or that's the same process that we did before, which is here editing favorites. Let's add this one. Now it's here as well. So this is pretty useful, especially for records. And I will show you how to make this available for your component, because this is a super farm configuration, but it's something that you add to the block. So in this case, I add to this table. I'm going to show you how to allow users to also use the favoriting of the record. So let's go to a Canva. Let's go here. We have this Canva here. Let's customize it. Let's customize this view. Tickets per team. Let's go there. So if I want to add this, I go here. In this case, it has the standard, the default table form. So I need to change for a super form. So in this, I will use the block form here. And since now I have a block form, this is for creation, but this you can only favorite something that's already in the system. So only for the update record form. On the toolbars here, on the tools toolbar, the toolbar for the form, you have all these options, and the favorite button is this one. So if you already have a form, a super form for a specific block, you only need to allow this and they will show there. So let's save it. And now here it is. I can add this as a favorite, and if I need this, I can come here and I can find my favorites. So let's go to our app here, refresh. And as you can see, here is our employee onboarding that we just favorited on this one. So this is now also showing here because it's my favorite. So you can access this from any place that you need, as long as you have the favorite here. And for customization inside your block, just go here, and down here you need to turn it on for the favorite button, and then it will allow your users and members to favorite records as well. So that's it. It's a really nice improvement for favoriting things inside Jestor. It's important if you want to keep track of a ticket, or maybe you want to focus on a specific opportunity. And it's also a really nice improvement for members because now you can have your favorites here. So basically, favorites now are really useful. Before, it was not the best way that they were being used inside the system. We just changed it to make it better for everyone.